Good evening, I am Akshanur and welcome to News World. COVID-19 scare. Total lockdown in 4 Tamil Nadu districts including Chennai from June 19 to 30. Tamil Nadu government on Monday announced a complete lockdown in 4 districts including Chennai from June 19 to 30 in view of the rising cases of the novel coronavirus in the state. The lockdown has been announced in Chennai, Kanchipuram, Tiruvallur and Chengalpet district of Tamil Nadu. The decision was taken during a cabinet meeting. Earlier in the day, the ruling AIADMK had said the Health Expert Committee, which held discussion with Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Edapadi K. Palaniswamy, today recommended tightening the relaxations given for lockdown in Chennai to contain the spread of coronavirus infection. On Sunday, with 1,974 new COVID-19 cases, the total number of positive patients in Tamil Nadu reached 44,661. A total of 435 people have succumbed to the virtual infection in the state so far. Out of the total cases, there are 19,676 active cases, while 24,547 people have been cured of the illness. Gujarat Board GSEB HSC announces 12th result. Art and Commerce results are out. The Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board declared the result of HSC Class 12th Arts Commerce examination on Monday, June 15. A total of 3.7 lakh students appeared in the exam, out of which 2.83 lakh have passed the board exam. The pass percentage this year reached 76.29%. The candidates can check the results through the official website gseb.org. Girls fare better than boys. While 82.20% female students cleared the HSC exam successfully, the pass percentage of boys is 70.97%. Patan is the best performing district with 86.27%, while the worst performing district is Panchmahal with 64.76% of students with the region clearing the exam. The evaluation process for the Gujarat board exam was resumed in April mid after being cancelled once due to the lockdown. Apart from the official website, the students can check results here by registering their name, roll number details and other details. A total of 60.64% students cleared the SSC exam, which was declared last week, while 71.34% students passed in the HSC science exam this year. The students can check the results through the official website. Click on the notification for the result at gseb.org. Enter your details in the field provided, download the result and take a printout for further reference.
Actor Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead at his residence in Mumbai's Bandra, his representative and Mumbai police said on Sunday. The actor was found dead at his 6th floor apartment in Bandra. While the police have confirmed that he has died of suicide, no note was found from his residence. Sushant Singh Rajput has committed suicide. Mumbai police is investigating. DCP Pranay Ashok, spokesperson Mumbai police, said. The actor was known for his performances in films such as Chichore, MS Dhoni, The Untold Story and Detective Vyomkesh Bakshi. He started his career on television and is still remembered for his performance in Pavitra Rishta. Sushant's team shared a message for his fans. It pains us to share that Sushant Singh Rajput is no longer with us. We request his fans to keep him in their thoughts and celebrate his life and his work like they have done so far. We request media to help us maintain privacy at this moment of grief. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was among those who condoled the actor's death. A bright young actor gone too soon. He excelled on TV and in films. His rise in the world of entertainment inspired many and leaves behind several memorable performances. Shocked by his passing away, my thoughts are with his family and fans, the PM tweeted. Sushant Singh Rajput's death comes days after his former manager Disha Salian reportedly died by suicide. Rajput had tweeted his shock at the news on social media. Let's have a look at celebs' response to versatile actor's death.
सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की मौत ने हम सबको झंझोड़ के रख दिया है, मगर कुछ लोग जो इस चीज़ में माहिर हैं कि कैसे पैरेलल नैरेटिव चलाना है, वो इस तरह से चला रहे हैं कि हाँ, जिनका दिमाग कमज़ोर होता है वो ये डिप्रेशन में आते हैं, सुसाइड वगैरह कमिट करते हैं। जो बंदे ने स्टैनफोर्ड की स्कॉलरशिप, वो रैंक होल्डर है इन हिज एंट्रेंस फॉर इंजीनियरिंग, उसका दिमाग कमज़ोर कैसे हो सकता है? अगर आप देखें उनके कुछ लास्ट पोस्ट, वो क्लियरली कह रहे हैं कि लोगों को बैक कर रहे हैं कि प्लीज़ मेरी फिल्म में देखो, मेरा कोई गॉड फादर नहीं है, मुझे निकाल दिया जाएगा इस इंडस्ट्री से। अपने इंटरव्यू में वो जाहिर कर रहे हैं कि मुझे क्यों नहीं ये इंडस्ट्री अपनाती है, आई फील लाइक अ लेफ्ट ओवर। तो क्या इसमें इस हादसे की कोई बुनियाद नहीं है? किस तरह से अगर किसी और स्टार किड ने इस तरह से 6-7 के साल के स्पैन में काय पोचे जैसे उनको कोई डेब्यू की कोई एक्नॉलेजमेंट, कोई अवार्ड नहीं मिला, या केदारनाथ या धोनी या छिछोरे जैसी फिल्म, एक गली बॉय जैसी एक वाहियात फिल्म को सारे अवार्ड मिलते। छिछोरे इज द बेस्ट फिल्म एंड द बेस्ट डायरेक्टर, उनकी फिल्म को कोई एक्नॉलेजमेंट नहीं। हमें आपसे कुछ नहीं चाहिए, हमें आपकी फिल्में नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन जो हम खुद करते हैं आप हमारे एक्नॉलेजमेंट क्यों नहीं हमें देते हैं? मुझे इनकी फिल्में, मैं जो खुद फिल्में डायरेक्ट करती हूँ, उनको सुपरहिट फिल्मों को ये फ्लॉप घोषित करते हैं। मुझ पे 6 केसेस क्यों डाले गए, क्यों मुझे जेल में डालने की कोशिश की गई? और मुझे इनके जो चमचे जर्नलिस्ट हैं, वो सुशांत जैसे लोगों पे जो ब्लाइंड आइटम्स लिखते हैं कि वो साइकोटिक है, न्यूरोटिक है, एडिक्ट है। संजय दत्त की एडिक्शन तो आपको बहुत क्यूट लगती है। वो लोग मुझे मैसेज करते हैं कि तुम्हारा बहुत डिफिकल्ट टाइम है, तुम ऐसा वैसा स्टेप मत उठा लेना। ऐसा क्यों कहते हैं मुझे? ये क्यों मेरे दिमाग में डालना चाहते हैं कि आप सुसाइड कर लीजिए? तो ये सुसाइड थी कि ये प्लान मर्डर था? लेकिन सुशांत की गलती यही है कि वो उनकी बात मान गया। उन्होंने कहा तुम वर्थलेस हो, वो मान गया। उसने he didn't remember what his mother told him. उन्होंने कहा कि तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं होगा, वो मान गया। वो चाहते ही ये है कि वो इतिहास लिखे और ये लिखे कि सुशांत कमजोर दिमाग का था। वो ये नहीं बताएंगे कि क्या सच्चाई क्या है। तो हमें ये
It's unbelievable and it's an unbearable tragedy. People have been asking me about this because whatever people have been doing this, I'm not only talking about Sushant Singh, who's passed away because he's from the industry, but I just have to say this, man, because you know what it is, some people don't have anybody to talk to. Stop talking behind people's backs, man. Stop people out. Stop gossiping, man. What do you people... Some people don't have people to talk to, okay? And they're helpless. And this is what it's probably driven him to. Just stop it, man. Just stop it. Some people are not as blessed or are not you. Maybe they're going through something. Let them do what they're doing, man. They're not harming you. They're not harming your family. They're not doing anything. Stop talking about people behind their back if you have nothing good to say. Why do that? This is a industry, man. You need to be strong. It's damn tough, yeah. He must have been alone. He must not have had anybody to talk to. Look at what's happened. No, you don't even know what it is. But just stop, yeah. Just stop. Maybe that's not the reason, but some people are alone. I know I am many times. I know I don't have people to talk to as well. It's just tragic. You know? Whoever's out there, just if you have nothing good to say about somebody, don't say anything. It's good for you. This is such a... Just try and be good, man. Human beings are a virus, man. Human beings are a virus, you understand? Corona and Earth is down because of us. Because of what we do. We've taken over this earth. We've taken over everything. We're selfish, bloody mean people. Don't be so... Okay, some people are in a better place than others, okay? Success comes, success goes. Just leave people be, okay? Say something nice, encourage somebody, man, if they're going through something that's down. I've been through a lot of that as well. Say something, but, you know, this is just for anybody who loses their life and takes their own. This is... And we don't have, some people don't have anybody to talk to. Just try not to be on any... Everybody's time comes and goes. He was a son to a mother, to a father, and he was young, yeah. It's not like I've never said anything behind somebody's back, but it's something I learned because a lot of people have said lots behind my back also. And it hurts, man. It's damn painful, man. We think about it, yeah. We think about these things. You know, it stays with us. Sometimes, and we don't have people to talk to. You know, it's easy to say talk to someone, but we don't. Sometimes we don't.
कुछ हादसों को शब्दों में बयां करना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है। सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के जाने का मुझे जो दुख है उनका, तो मैं इस खबर ने मेरी आत्मा को ठंडा कर दिया, आत्मा को निचोड़ दिया है। दिल तक तो बात पहुंचती है, लेकिन आत्मा तक जो है वो दहल गई है। ये वीडियो बनाते वक्त भी सोच रहा हूँ क्या बोलूं मैं, पर बोलने से कभी कभी, शेयर करने से कभी कभी नहीं, इस खबर पर तो शेयर करने से भी दुख कम नहीं हुआ। मैंने MS धोनी द अनटोल्ड स्टोरी में सुशांत के फादर का रोल किया था, और क्योंकि कहानी बाप बेटे की थी और इसलिए रिश्ता भी ऑफ द स्क्रीन बाप बेटे जैसा ही हो गया था। कुछ लोग चले जाते हैं तो उसका सदमा बाद में लगता है, लेकिन वो चले क्यों गए इसका सदमा पहले लगता है। आई थिंक लोगों का एक दूसरे से बात करना बहुत जरूरी है। लोगों का एक दूसरे का दुख पहचानना बहुत जरूरी है। लोगों के एक दूसरे की तकलीफ को जांचना या तकलीफ को महसूस करना बहुत जरूरी है आज की दुनिया में। आज की दुनिया में हम बहुत जरूरी है कि हम सामने से पूछें कि क्या तकलीफ है तुझे, क्या अकेलापन महसूस हो रहा है, क्या महसूस कर रहे हो तुम मेरे दोस्त। क्योंकि जो जिस तकलीफ से जूझ रहा होता है उसका बयां वो खुद नहीं कर सकता, वो हमें पहचानना है। हम किसी भी इंडस्ट्री में हों, बार बार बोला जाता है फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में ये टेंशन है, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में वो टेंशन है, इसका प्रेशर है। कोई प्रेशर नहीं होता। अकेलेपन का मैंने एहसास किया है अपनी जिंदगी में, और जब वो अकेलापन होता है तो सक्सेस कोई मायने नहीं रखती है। जब वो जो दुख की गहराई में इंसान की आत्मा, इंसान का दिल डूबा होता है, तो सक्सेस, पॉपुलैरिटी कुछ मायने नहीं रखती है। मायने रखता है किसी का आपको गले लगाना, मायने रखता है किसी का आपसे बात करना, किसी को आपकी बात सुनना, वो मायने रखता है। उसके घर वालों के बारे में सोच रहा हूँ सुशांत के, उनका क्या हाल होगा। मैं तो फिल्मी बाप था उसका, तो मैं इतने तकलीफ और दुख से गुजर रहा हूँ, तो उनके जो खुद के पिताजी हैं, उनके घर के बाकी जो मेंबर्स हैं, उनका क्या हाल होगा। 34 साल का लड़का, बहुत तकलीफ है। मैं बड़ा पॉजिटिव आदमी हूँ और इस लॉकडाउन में मैं बहुत पॉजिटिव रहा हूँ। मैंने अपने आप को बहुत संभाला है, लेकिन इस खबर ने तो मुझे झकझोर के रख दिया है। बहुत ही वॉज वेरी वेरी पॉजिटिव, वेरी एनर्जेटिक। अनुपम जी ऐसे ट्राई करते हैं, अनुपम जी ऐसे ट्राई करते हैं। कभी मैं कहता था यार शांत हो जाए यार प्लीज। कहता नहीं आपने तो अपना करियर बनाना है, मुझे देख, मुझे करना है। He will constantly keep rehearsing scenes with me. We'll spend time. बहुत ज़्यादा नज़दीक नहीं आ पाया मैं उसके, because the pressure of the shooting was there. We had to finish. We wanted to do that, and I wanted to give him space because he had internalized the role of MS Dhoni. So, but बहुत क्या बेमानी सा लगता है सब कुछ। तो मेरे दोस्तों, एक दूसरे को पहचानो, एक दूसरे का दुख दर्द। ऐसे ही पैंडेमिक ने, ऐसे ही हमारे हालात अजीब से कर रखे हैं। इस पूरे लॉकडाउन ने हमको अकेला कर रखा है। तो इस त्रासदी से, इस घबराहट से हमको समझना चाहिए एक दूसरे का दर्द, एक दूसरे की तकलीफ, एक दूसरे का अकेलापन समझना चाहिए और बढ़ावा देना चाहिए प्यार को, पॉजिटिविटी को, कंपैशन को। मैं बस बोलता जा रहा हूं, मेरे में कोई ऐसा थॉट नहीं है, बट जस्ट एज दे से सिकंदर ने बड़ा अच्छा वीडियो बनाया। मैं रोया नहीं था तब तक, उसका वीडियो जो इंस्टाग्राम पे उसको देख के मैं रोया। उसने कहा कि ह्यूमन बनना बहुत जरूरी है, ह्यूमन बनना बहुत जरूरी है दोस्तों। चलो एक दूसरे को प्यार करो दोस्तों, एक दूसरे को समझो, प्यार का हाथ आगे बढ़ाओ दोस्तों, बहुत जरूरी है। वरना हम अकेले हैं, अकेले रह जाएंगे। एक अकेले इंसान को दूसरा अकेला इंसान मिले तो वो अकेला नहीं होता है। प्यार बांटो।
An earthquake with a magnitude of 4.4 on Richter scale hit 83 km northwest of Rajkot, Gujarat at 12:57 p.m. today, National Center for Seismology. Bhopal. A swarm of crop-eating pest, locust, have entered Madhya Pradesh, threatening the country's food security. It is the biggest locust attack in the state in 27 years and is likely to grow till monsoon season, officials said. Locust attacks of the size being seen in India, spread over a kilometer, has the potential to damage huge swathes of cropland, ravaging standing crops within days. This swarm originated in West Africa in January 2020 and has travelled east after covering the Middle East and Pakistan over the last couple of months. Here is why farmers fear and despise this pest.
Ekta Kapoor deletes controversial scene from XXX2, slams cyberbullying by online trolls. After receiving flack for a controversial sex scene in her erotic web series XXX2 streaming on OTT platform Altpalaji, producer Ekta Kapoor has confirmed that the team has deleted the scene in question. Moreover, she has apologized for hurting any sentiments unintentionally, saying that their organization is deeply respectful of the Indian Army. As an individual and as an organization, we are deeply respectful towards the Indian Army. The contribution to our well-being and security is immense. We have already deleted the scene that is being spoken about, so the action has been taken from our side. We fully apologize for any sentiment that is hurt unintentionally. What we don't appreciate is the bullying and the rape threats by the trolls and the producer, said in a statement. However, the producer has slammed cyberbullies for abusing, issuing rape threats to her and her mother, Shobha Kapoor, on social media after her show got embroiled in a controversy. A video of the producer lashing out at a social media troll has surfaced online. In the video, Ekta could be seen hitting back at one user who was allegedly abused her and her mother Shobha Kapoor on social media. Ekta Kapoor also revealed that her trolls who follow this user have openly put rape threats on a social platform and said that she will stand up against cyberbullying. Ekta Kapoor's video shared on Instagram. FIR registered against the producer and others on June 6, and FIR were registered against producer Ekta Kapoor and others for allegedly hurting religious sentiments, inserting army personnel, and improper use of the national emblem in the web series XXX streaming on Altpalaji. The complainant Neeraj Yagnik said that he raised a complaint after he noted that there has been objectionable use of the national emblem and army uniform in the web series. Objecting to the show, several complaints have been filed against Ekta Kapoor. Social media celebrity Hindustani Bao had filed a police complaint against TV producer Ekta Kapoor and her mother Shobha Kapoor over allegations of disrespecting the Indian Army and a national emblem in her erotic web series XXX2. After Hindustani Bao, a few ex-personnel from Gurugram's Palam Vihar lodged a complaint against Ekta Kapoor. As per reports of IANS, the chairman of the Martyrs Welfare Foundation, Major T.C. Rao, said that in the show, an army officer's wife is seen cheating on him in his absence. That's an insult of the soldiers who are posted on the borders to save the country. Another complaint has been filed to producer Ekta Kapoor and Shobha Kapoor in the Muzaffarpur court. The complaint was filed by Ram Pravesh Singh. He is the president of the Veteran Soldiers Association in the city. The hearing on this matter will be held on the June of 33rd.
Of course, when we got to know that there was even an FIR lodge, which was quashed because there's no certification, we removed the content anyway. The content aside, I told my team to come up with an apology and just put on an apology for the army officers' wives and them, because we have no problem with them. When something else started simultaneously, which made us stop, which was what irritated me the most, that is called cyberbullying. This gentleman who thinks that he is the patriot of the year decided to come out there, abuse my mother, abuse me, and then have his trolls, and now has apparently openly put a rape threat on a social platform. This is now no longer about the army or sexual content, because the irony of it is you're saying that you want to rape a girl and rape her son and rape her mother, her 71-year-old mother, for making sexual content. Means sex is bad, but rape is okay. So I actually wanted to tell you this, Shobha.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I would have said the apology a long time ago. It's no big deal for me. I mean, it's the smallest thing to do. Because respecting the army is not even it's a part of what I do. It was a fictional character, it was a mistake and a slight on our side, which we rectified.
I know.
But clearly, now I have decided to take the route of actually standing up to this cyberbullying.
I'm so happy you've done
Because
that.
there will be, if they can decide to take my nudes out, put out my nudes on the net, call me Randi, then tomorrow they can do this to any girl.
Yes,
But
absolutely.
it does happen. It's not
Yeah.
just
I'm
USA.
like,
there's so
tomorrow-
much sexism and
Yes,
around the world.
Exactly. So I've decided, clearly you don't really want, you've seen the lowest hanging fruit. You clearly have seen two women in a company. You have not been able to understand who produced the show also. You've not tagged anyone else. And you want to rub my nose on the ground. Well, you're not getting a chance.
For more updates, do like, share and subscribe News World and give your valuable comments.